Yes, sir. Nauna na, number 3. Kagad.
Yes, sir.
Number 2, 2 points by number 3. Yes, sir. Number 3 agad nakauna. Number 3 again. Tumira sa press. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 3. Nandun na naman sa kabilang court. Number 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Another 2 points by number 3. Zero ang magagawin ng championship. Number 69. Number 69 sumaspak sa gitna. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Ibilang na yan kay number 69. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Taking his time. Sumalaksak sa gitna. Nabitawan. Nakuha ni number 24. Outlet pass to number 69. Easy layup by number 69. Tie game. Tie game. 19 minutes. Number 3 has the ball. Takes his time. Pass to number 7, almost deflected. Number 16, tumira sa ball. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 16. Number 69, gumagawa. Pass to number 18, middle. Drop pass to number 24, napakalaking yan. May kasama foul. 2 points. Dalawang tira para kay number 24.
Alright, second shot. Sorry, first shot, no good. One more to make up 1 point play. Number 24, doing all day. No good on second shot. 24 got it back. Easy leg. Yes, sir. 24 putting everything on it. Number 3, fast thing. 1v1. The team, no good. 69, patiently driving. Patiently dribbling. Waiting for somebody.
15-second shot clock.
Looking for someone. 24 got it back. 1-2 pass to 3. Easy leg. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 3. Number 7. Looking for number 3. Number 3 got it. Making a play. Give it to number 7 back. Number 30 open. Hesitate. Middle got it. Number 3 drop back. Penetrate. With 2. You deserve to flex on that.
That's the foul.
Good 2 points. Trying to make a 3-point play. 1 shot. Number foul on 24, right?
Oh, 18.
18, sorry, 18. Good shot.
Extra point.
Score 8-9.
8-9. Number 3. Running. Dribbling. Nobody stopped him. Yes, sir. No good. Still no good. Leave me alone, bro. I'll take the mic. All right, number 3, trying to make 2-point play. First shot. No good. Second shot, you gonna make it? Second shot, yes sir. Good shot, number 3. Number 3, got the ball pass. Number 3, looking for somebody. Penetrating, dribbling, trying to go through the middle. Pass it back to
Number 8.
Too strong. Number 3 got it back. Number 2 got it back. Looking for somebody, pass it to number 7. Penetrate. Oh! Easy 2 on this now.
Napakalapit nun. Number 7.
Yes, sir.
Napakalapit ang Bulaga ngayon. Tumira
Number 7.
rebound by number 7. Number 7. Block by number 3. With no by number 3.
Napakaganda ng laban na ito.
Score natin 9-11 in favor of Stick to 1. 15 minutes and 20 seconds remaining on the clock.
Who's
Inbounding the ball, number 30, pass to number 8, number 7, taking his time. No hesitation, shot! Bang! 3 points by number 7.
number 11? Bring it down. Looking for somebody.
15
Talking
seconds
to
shot clock.
teammates.
15 seconds shot
69.
clock.
30 seconds left on the shot. Number 3, the flash. Oh my God! Ang lupit ng teamwork nitong dalawang to. Number 3 and number 7.
Number 3 is
They're carrying the whole team. Number 24 has the ball, taking his time. Ano kaya gagawin? Pass to number 3, pass to number 8. Foul! Pinaw ni number 7.
Number 7 foul. On number 24.
Lamang ng 7 points ang Stick to 1.
Ooh, got him the ball.
Will they stick until to the last stretch of this game? Will they take it home?
First shot, no good. Stick to 1, since day 1.
Second shot, yes sir.
After
Pass
this
that
game,
in.
they stick to
Point
one.
number 24.
All right, number 30 bringing the ball down. Pass it to number 7, trying to make a play. Got it, number 3. Number 3.
Ball hesitation. Bumitahan si number 8 pero hindi nakuha ng bola number 11. Nagmamadali.
He's not number 3.
2 points by number 3.
No, but nagkukuha ng momento.
Number 7, our best player of the game kanina. Napakalupit nito at sa number 7.
Una sa bigla,
Pinakasahan naman.
walang pinasahan.
Walang kakampi doon. Walang communication.
Miscommunication on them. Number 3 and number 7.
Lamang ng 4, nakakahabol ang Nobat. Number 3. Number 3. Armino Mahinto. Yes sir. 2 points by number 3.
He's the layer of this guy.
Yes, sir.
He's got 7 now, number 3 sa Nobat.
He wants that shirt. He wants that
taking his
shirt.
time. Pass to the half court. Tumira sa tres. Tumira sa tres. Nobat.
Move on naman naman.
Out at pass to number 69. Hindi nakuha ni number 69. Sayang yun. Napalakas ang pasa ni number 24. Our winning MVP. Number 24.
Oh,
Pass to number 7. Big pass to number 16. Easy bucket by number 18. Napakalupit mag-assist nito, number 7. Hindi ko alam kung saan patasa. Number 24, pull-up shot. No good. Rebound by number 7. Pass to Splash brother. Pass to number 16. Almost deflected. Almost stolen by number 3.
good hustle, number 3.
Side ball. Number 16. Number 16 inbounding the ball. Naghahanap na papasahan. Nakita si number 7. Bumake si number 7. Taking his time. Almost deflected. Number 3. For 3. No good. Rebound nagagawan. Walang nakakuha ng bola. Who's ball ref? Substitution.
Substitution ref on number 18 now, 13 in. All right, who is he gonna be?
Number 3. Inbounding the ball. Nakita si number 16. Bumadi. Walang nakuha. Pass to number 69, nagkakadali, 2v1, Bumake pasa, nag-layup, yes sir, 2 points by number 69. He's got 6 points now. Number 7 has the ball. Napakalupit na bulander niya ito. Tumira, na-take ako. Almost got deflected. Number 7, nakita si number 30. Pinasa kay number 16, napakalupit. Ang lupit na mga pasahan dito. Napakalupit to 1. Napakagaling na number 59. What is it? Number 69, no hesitation, no good. Nabigaan ni number 24. Pass to number 3. Number 3 has the ball.
Number 3 got it back.
Taking his time. Almost stolen by number 3. Number 7 taking his time.
Take his time.
Number 7 pinasa sa Tumira sa 3.
Whose side is this?
Number 24, side step.
No, yes sir, number
2 points,
12.
number 24. He's doing it all. By number 24. Number 7.
Next.
18-23. Time out.
Score check. 18-23. 10 minutes and 11 seconds.
15-second shot clock.
15 seconds shot clock. Pinasa sa ilalim. Pinasa. Oh! Lupit yun.
Ang lupit naman
Time
naman.
out, time out.
Ang lupit mo naman.
He's got 10 points now. Sa ilalim lang tumatambay si number 16. Number 3, no hesitation. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Pinasa ulit. Yes sir. 2 points.
2 points number 3.
Time out to
2
na, time out.
points.
Hello.
Number 7. Binababa ang bola. Nag-iisip. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng number 7? Ano kaya ang isasagot ng stick to 1? Number 7. Sumalaksak na naman. Nahuli na. Yan, nakuha ulit. Nakuha ulit. Nakuha ulit. Same team. Same team.
Time out, time out, time out, time out, time out.
Remo.
Time out, time out.
Time out.
Nobody.
No bad.
Time out.
Time out. To 1v 25. Lamang ng 5. Ang stick to 1. With 9 minutes and 26 seconds on the clock. Sino ang mananalo sa huling laban ng ating tournament?
26 na po.
Is it nomad or stick to 1? Stay tuned, mga tropa.
Stick to 1 is really putting the game on the
Partida yan sa stick to 1. Wala silang substitution. 5 lang sila.
stick to 1.
Number 24 has 4 points sa Nomad. Number 69 has 6 points. 9 points kay number 3. Number 7, 5 points. Number 3, 7 points. And 10 points for number 16 and 30. Number 3 points by number 30.
Yes, sir.
The red ball tayo. Stick to 1. Ang bola.
Stick to 1. Naghahanap. Nagpapasahan. Pinasa. Pinasa uli. Number 7. Nag-iisip.
Taking his time.
Patiently dribbling for 3.
No hesitation. No good. But short.
No
No bad ball.
Number 24. Number 9.
Number 9. 6 man of the game.
Number 9 just got back in the building. For 2.
First shot.
No good.
No good.
He came from lunch.
Number 3. Tingnan mo daw si number 3. Pass to number 7. Back to number 8. Pass back. Naku, munti ka makuha. Kani number 69. Pass to 16. Yan na po. Uminalim na. Number 16. Ang lakas tumangkin ito. He's got 12 points on the paint. Number 16. Ang lakas ito. Number 9. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Tumira sa 2.
Good body on number 24.
Yes, sir.
Good body on number 24.
Number 3. Napakalabot ng laban ngayon. Labang pa rin ang 5. Ang stick to 1.
15-second shot clock.
15-second shot clock.
Passing number 7.
Number 7.
10 seconds, 10
10-second shot clock.
10 seconds.
Pass to number 16. Nag-iisip. Umaatake na naman. Nakalusot! Nakalusot na naman. He's got 13 points. Under the rim.
Oh, look, this guy's sneaky.
Napakalakas.
Sneaky
Ano
attack.
ang sasagot kaya number 9? Oh, ang gabi. Ikaw, tayo dyan.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Foul on number 7. Foul on number 7.
First foul by number 7.
Trying to make a 2-point play.
First shot.
First shot. Labang po ang free agent.
No good.
Oh, sorry. Stick to 1. I'm so sorry.
Free agent.
Agent's gone.
I know, I'm sorry.
Second shot.
Second
They
shot.
went fishing.
Passes.
Stop, stop.
Hold on, stop. Substitution. Substitution number 3 out. 26 in. Hit.
Defense.
Nag-uusap number 9, 30.
Ano kaya ang gagawin na naman? Nakaka-surprise. Nakaka-rumi ba si number 24? Number 24. Sino? By himself. May kasama pang foul. Foul penalty by number 24. Masama pang foul.
Foul number 30. 30-0. Foul on number 30.
One ball shot for number 24.
Trying to make a 3-point play.
5 team fouls. Stick to one.
No,
No good, no good. By number 24. Number 30. Number 30. Number 7 has the ball. Number 7. Inaras ni number 79. No, hindi ka na po. Maagaw. Number 3. Nasa ilalim. Number 6 tumira wala. Number 9. Rebound by number 9. Minamadali na ni number 9. Lea Valenzo, no good. Number 7, get on the ball. It's stolen by number 9. Number 9 again. Pass to number 26. Takes his time. Yes, sir! 3-1. Stick to one. It's still leading 1 point. Number 30. Tumira sa 3, number 7, no good. Rebound by number 24. Number 9. Outlet pass by number 10. Number 69, Tumira. Yes, sir! Lamang na. Lamang na. Time out tayo. Naka-time out ang 61. Wait. 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining on the clock. Lamang na ng isa. Mami-maintain kaya ng Nova ang kanilang kalamangan para sa championship.
Yes, sir. Nova. What about stick to one and start putting a play on to it, you know? We should do a podcast.
Sino sa tingin mo ang mananalo ko?
I'm still betting on stick to one still.
Yeah.
I'll put money onto this, guys.
Sino sa tingin mo ang mananalo ko?
Which side?
Sumagot ka doon pa. It's stick to one now. Sino sa tingin na magiging MVP ngayon? Anong number? Number 3. Yes, sir. Alright, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game tayo. Alright. Nagkakapita si Ref. Saglit lang.
Saglit lang.
Break time. Official break time.
Stick to one ball.
Lamang pa din po ang nabat.
Anong gagawin?
Stick to
Stick to
one.
one.
Pass to number 7. Anong dito sa ginagawa ni number 69? Nakalutuin! Anong pinasa? Outlet pass number 9. Number 9, easy layup by number 9. Napakalupit talaga nito ni number 9. Napakalupit na 6-man. Number 30, number 3, back to number 3.
Number 3.
Pass to number 30. Lamang ito ng tatlo.
15-second shot clock.
15 seconds. Naagaw! Oh my goodness. Nabitawan ni number 24. Our winning MVP number 24.
24 is good putting a game on night, man.
Number 7, back the ball. Pass to number 6. Tumangki na naman. Tumangki. No good. Tapos na.
Rebound.
Another one. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 24. Pass to number 69. Nakita. Ang goal. Oh, he missed the shot. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Almost. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 30. Tumira. Block by number 24. 24 has the ball. Pass to. Pinasa.
He got it too.
Pasa. Red ball tayo. Lamang pa din ng tatlo. Ang Novak with 3 minutes and 38 seconds on the clock. Number 7 taking his time. Dinodouble team na ito. Dinodouble team na. Nakita si number 16 na block ni number 24. 26 has the ball. Tatlo yan. Number 9, easy lay by number 9. Lamang na ng 5. Lumalamang na ng malaki ang Novak. Number 3 has the ball.
15
Pass
seconds.
to number 30. 10 seconds remaining on the clock. Nakagalit si number 16. Yes, sir. Tumatanggi si number 16. Ang dami ng points. Sikip na sa ating score sheet. Silip na.
wants it.
Please, guys,
He wants
16.
it.
Tatlo na lang ang lamang. Teardrop on the sky by number 9. Rebound put to that by number 9. Another 2 points by number 9.
Sub, ah.
Number 16 on stick to one, really trying to put a game into it, you know. It's really good.
Number 3. Number 3 has the ball, takes his time.
15 seconds
He's
shot
open,
clock.
15 seconds shot clock. Number 7 nakawala. No, my goodness. Foul yan. Nakita ko ref. Minagos ni number 7. Hindi umabot sa rin. Sayang.
Nasulyaban ng ref.
First
Tinawagan.
foul, first foul.
Foul.
Sub.
Substitution.
Substitution left. Yes, sir. 18 in, 13 out.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes. Lamang ng 5. First shot.
Nice shot.
Yes, sir.
Trying to make a 2-point play.
Second shot. Yes, sir. Umikot-ikot pa ang lupit
Stick to
mo.
one is really playing for it.
Make a smack.
Minagos ni number 7 sa ring. Number 9 has the ball. Pinapakapit ang sapatos.
Sub after.
Takes his time. On the middle, tumira sa dos. On the turn, rebound by number 8. Oh! Dalawa yan! Nakalagpre si number 3. Nilagay lang sa ring. Nakakahabol, isa na lang po ang lamang. 107 seconds on the clock. Number 69, penetration. Two heads ni number 69.
Sub.
Substitution. Number 24 out, 11 in.
Yes, sir.
Number 8 inbounding the ball. Makakascore pa kaya ang 6-1. Number 30 has the ball. Number 3.
45 seconds.
45 seconds on the clock.
45 seconds.
15 minutes. Shot clock. Number 7. He's on the middle again on the paint. Tumira. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Laban na. Palitan lang.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
On this quarter. Palitan lang ng lamang. Napakagandang laban. 36-37 sa championship. Tumira si 69 with no hesitation. Now goes rebound on number 8. Pinato kay number 9. Number 3 nag-iisip, nagpasabit.
10 seconds.
Number 3. 10
10
seconds. Tumira sa Nico. Yes, sir. Lamang na
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1. No good. Lamang ng 3. Ang stick to 1. Can they hold their lead on the last half of this game?
Who is it going to be?
Championship.
Who is it going to be?
Napakaganda ng laban. Palitan lang.
Salitan lang. Stick to one is really putting a game onto it, you know?
Napakalupit ng stick to 1. Walang pahinga na to.
Walang substitution.
Napakalupit. 3-point lead by stick to 1. Joke lang yan. Pahinga kayo.
Number 16 on stick to one, putting 20 points already. Putting 20 points.
Number 16, you have 20 points.
And number side, number 3, you got 15 points already. Just saying. Whoever win on this game.
Eh, we got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Wala, pahinga kayo. Pahinga. Gusto nang magbakbakan ng mga kupunan. 2 minutes pa. Gusto nang maglaro ng Nobat. Napakaganda ang lulupet ng mga team. Ang gaganda ng mga pasahan.
Maglaro, man.
After one championship, Kung sino ang gusto mag-run dito for free hanggang alas 6, we can run.
Run lang, hindi play ball. Right?
Yeah, takbuhan lang, walang bola.
Walang bola, run lang.
Okay, wait, what time is it?
It's only 4. It's 4.
Run only, no ball. Just run.
Just run only, no basketball.
Sino ang gusto pumunta sa halftime show?
Yeah, that's how it is. Ref, can you sing, ref? Hey, ref. Can you sing? Sing for us, sing for us.
Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it.
Can ref sing?
Hey, we gotta do let those kids shoot.
Para si Julius Randall yun nung hindi pa nag-draft.
Score time, 39-36. Stick one up by 3. All right, back to the ball game. All right. Who is he gonna be? Who is he gonna be? Who is he gonna be? Is he Novak or Stick to One? Only one champion is gonna be tonight.
Only time will tell kung sino ang magka-champion.
Number 11 looking for someone. That's
Sinabi
number
sa gitna, on the pick, no good, rebound by number 18, number 11 has the ball again. Nakita ng Nova has the ball. Again, pinasa number 9, tinira on the pin, tapos again, may kasama kang foul, number 16.
number 16 foul on number 3.
First team foul.
First team foul,
Yes, sir.
number 16 has 2 foul.
Trying to make a 2-point play. No shot.
Bang bang, one shot.
Went like
Yung ating back net. Number 1, yes sir.
38-39.
38-39. Isa na lang buwan na lang ang stick to 1.
All right,
Number 3.
number 3.
Pass to number 7. Binalik kay number 3. Nakay number 7 na naman. Tumira sa 3. Sinover. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 9. Nakita si number 9. Wala. Sayang yun. Mahina number 2 has the ball. Crossover. Only ball.
Give him time. Take your time. Take your time. As long as you're good. As long as you're good. There you go. Foul on number 18.
Take your time, number 3.
Number 18. Trying to make 2-point play with number 3. Number 3.
Alright, 2 shots by number 3.
Done. No.
The sideline?
On the floor, on the floor.
End line, no shot, no shot.
No shot. No free throw on stick to 1.
Number 13, back ball, pass to number 7. Oh, here. Back to nahawakan daw ni number 9. Red ball. Stick to 1 ang bola. Inbounding on the sideline. Number 7.
Number 2.
Binalik ang number 7.
Pinasa.
Number 8.
Pinasa ulit.
Number 7 again.
Naghahanap.
Ang saan mo lang. Oh!
ganun, hanggang ganun.
Ang lupit ni number 16, he is not giving up for this championship.
Wow.
Number 9 pass to number 3, open shot, no good. Rebound by number 11, Tinas Tinik, no good. Oh, another one. Oh, sayang yun by number 11, hindi na. Lamang po ng tatlo ulit ang stick to one. Ang lupit ng stick to one.
The connection is crazy, bro. That is crazy.
Really not flipping, down. Another three by number 7, no good. Rebound by number 30. Puts it back. Pass by number 30.
Trying to make a three-point play on number 30. Yes, sir.
Better shot by number 30.
Score check.
38-43.
48, 38, 43.
But three-point play.
Yes, sir. Number 30. Napatime out.
Stop.
Substitution.
Number 11 out, 24 in. Good back.
Number 26.
Number 26. Talking to the team. Find out a little bit.
Post it. Number 1. Rebound by number 8. Back to number 30. Number 30 has the ball. Ang dami ang pass to number 7. Pinapahirapan ni number 7 after all yung ball. No goal. Sabi mo na. Second one, number 7. Number 26. Foul one. No basket.
Number 26, no basket. No basket.
Sub.
Substitution ref.
Substitution.
Substitution ref.
Ma-maintain kaya ng stick to one ang kanilang lamang. They are up by 6. Number 18, Bonnie the ball.
Sobrang ganda naman ito. Sobrang ganda ng laban.
Number 7. Back to number 8. Back to number 16. Tangke.
Number 14.
Tumatangke si number 16.
14 foul. No
That's
back.
your 14th foul. Not bad. Pass to middle. Bago ni number 9. Nagmamadali. 3v1 pinasa ka number 26. Yes sir. 2 points by number 26. 14-44 on score. Apat ang lamang ng stick to one. 15 minutes na lang. Mag-take. Pinaka secondary ng stick to one. Ang lima ng mga play ng stick to one. Napakalalim. Ang tatalino. Number 9. Tumira sa 3. Lobon. Niraan by secondary. Number 7. Nasa kanila. Number 16. Number 16.
Talagang stick to one talaga ang
Only coach si number 24. Pulls up on the pitch. No ball. Number 3 has the ball back to number 2. Number 7 has the ball.
No ball. Number 2.
On the field is your ball. Number 15. Nagdadala ng bola. Makakasagot kaya ang Novat. Lamang ng siyam. Ang stick to one. Tumira sa 3. No goal. Napatime out ang Novat. 40-49 ang score. What a game. And 54 seconds on the clock.
Is this why you call stick to one? I feel like it too, bro. This is why they call stick to one.
Siyam ang lamang ng stick to one.
Stick to one. Down. You guys are cold.
Sino kaya ang magiging tournament champion ng ating season?
Sino nga ba?
Ng Filipino Brotherhood Basketball
Association. Alright, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
What's going on? What's going on? Wait, ano muna? Wait, official time. Wait.
Time out.
Tama.
Wait. I think he's bleeding. Time for official.
Hold on. For safety.
You need help with that? Someone help him.
Injury timeout tayo mga tropa. Tumutugo ang kamay ni number 30. Splash Brother. Napakalupit na mga crucial game. Napakalupit.
I tried. I wanted to get a bigger one. Yeah.
We just safety first before others, right?
Number 3. Can they score again? Number 3 has the ball. Taking his time. Nakalusot. Tumira sa goal. Pagod. Rebound by number 13. Nagagawa sa kay number 11. Nakita. Si number 30 sa kabilang team. Number 7 again. Number 7 again. Number 30. Ano ang gagawin? Nakita sino? Number 8. Take his time. Back to number 3. Taking their time. Number 16.
10 second shot clock. 10 seconds.
10 second shot clock. Tumira sa loss.
Rebound.
Rebound. Oh, foul yan. Dalawang tao.
Foul number 13.
Tinatangkinan ni number 16.
Number 13.
13.
Foul.
Stop.
Substitution ref.
Substitution ref. 26-10.
That's your
Alright.
13 out.
5 team foul.
That's your 15 foul para sa Nobat. Bola na. Stick to one. Panilay pa.
Oh!
Naubusan ng oras.
5 seconds. Violation. Number 15. Inbounding the ball. Number 26. Number 26.
Dadala ng bola. Pinasa sa
Number
number
15 has the ball. Number 11.
Pinasa sa
Pinasa sa gitna by number 24. Good job. Pito na lang ang lamang ng stick to one with 12 minutes and 23 seconds on the clock. Pass to number 8. Number 30 has the ball. Tumira sa 3. No good. Mura na number 34. Nagmamadali. Ang dami nito. Drop Foul dyan. By number 3. First foul is number 3.
number 4
And
foul.
that's your second team foul.
The first foul round between number 3.
2 free throw by number 69.
69 trying to make a play. 2-point play. First shot.
Yes, sir.
Anim na lang ang lamang ng stick to one. Makahabol pa kaya ang Nobat?
One more shot.
No good. And a rebound. May kasama ng foul. Kay number 11. Nakakahabol na. 45-49. Basket is good. Sabi ko na.
Basket is good.
Apat na lang. Tapos may isa pang free throw for number 11.
Trying to make a 3-point play. One free throw.
One shot to mga tropa. Box out.
One shot. Is he in? Is he out?
No goal. Rebound by number 16.
Number 2, McMahon.
Number 3. Kinan niya na lahat. Oh no. Nabita kami number 11, number 16. Nagmamadali. Number 69 again. No good. Rebound by Tank. Tinasa ka number 3. Number 3 has the ball. Drop to number 30. Tumira sa dos. No good. Rebound by number 24. Ang gagaling nito mga to. Ayaw na ayaw magpas-goal. Number 24. No good. Rebound ni number 16. Again, number 26. Nagaya pinali. Oh no, lower side. Number 26. 2 points. Bilang ang bola. Let's go. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng stick to one. Ano ang gagawin ng stick to one? Baka score kaya. Discarded kalabot para kay number 7. Back to number 3. And that 24 line. No good. Number 16. Kanina ang bola. 6-1. Same ball. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang. 9 minutes and 38 seconds on this championship game. number 15 inbounding the ball.
Number 26 bringing the ball down, looking for somebody.
Pass to number 69, wide open shot for 3. Yes, sir. And no back. Lamang na, pass to number 8. Number 8 has the ball. Oh, paring shot. Back at number 30. Back to number, to top. Oh! Sinipa ni number 11. Ang bola natin
Stick to one.
Stick to one. Back to number 3. Back to number 3. Takes his time. Back to his teammate, number 7. Number 7. Hesitation move.
10 seconds, 10 seconds.
Remaining out of shot clock. Number 2.
Five.
Anong gagawin? Crossover. Wow! Yes, sir! Lamang na naman po. Ang shoot to win sa number 15. Pinasa kay 69. Tony titira sa press. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 7. Oh my goodness. Injury. Time out. What's going on? Stop the clock. Stop the clock.
All right.
8 minutes and 7 seconds on the clock. Papasukin.
All right.
Number 16, are you okay?
Number 16, are you all right?
Substitution.
Number 16,
Pasok
quick.
lang, pasok.
Go in.
You have the time of the red. Take your time. Are you okay? What an effort for number 16. They want to win this
Hindi
game.
sumusuko ang number 16. Dahil dyan, bola ng stick to one, number 7. Back to number 30. Number 30. Nag-iisip, pinasa kay number 7.
Napakaganda
Ano
naman.
Mayor?
Napakaganda naman ang laro na to.
15 seconds shot.
Inside the shot clock. Tumira sa try. Tumira na coach. Nakuha ni number 16. Walang aso play by number 26. Pass to number 69. Nasa nabat ang ball. Nagtatakbuhan na. Number 26. Step back. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni number 69 again. Pass to his teammate number 15. Number 15 sa ilalim. Yes sir. Nakuha na. Lamang na lang isa ulit. Palitan lang. Palitan lang. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 30. Back to his teammate number 7.
What a championship.
Napakaganda. Wow! Naagaw ni number 9. Mapapasok kaya? Yes sir. 2.3 by Novak. Number 3.
What's your score?
All right.
54.
Give him time.
Tama.
Give him time.
1. Stop the clock.
Stop the clock. We have to make sure they're all right. Is he okay?
You had the foul for 9?
Foul number 9.
Or just now?
Power number 9.
That's your 6th team foul. Dalawa na lang po ang foul para mag-free throw. Penalty. Number 30 inbounding the ball. Number 3, hindi sumusuko ang stick to one. Stick to one. Tumira. Number 3, take shot on the side. Mabawi. Hindi sumusuko ang stick to one kahit lima lang sila. Kahit walang tulong. Number 26, twin mo, guys. Rebound. Ayun na po. Munti na ha. Sayang. Number 9 for the team. No good. Rebound. Oh, naagaw ni 26. Tumira. Oh, hindi tumira. Number 9 has the ball. Number 26. Pumasok, pinigay ulit kay number 9. Tumira sa dos. Number 24 is there to follow up at 2 Number 7. Number 7 pass to number 2. They won't give up. Number 3. Oh, no good. No foul. Number 24. Yes sir. Lamang na ng 5. Ang Novak timeout tayo dyan. Ito ang unang timeout ng stick to one. Nobat, nakakalamang na ng 5 with 5 minutes and 53 seconds on the clock. Dalawa pa ang timeout ng stick to one. Dalawa pa ang timeout ng
Score check, 58-53.
lamang ng 5 ang stick to one. Sino kaya? Konti na lang at malalaman na natin kung sino ang magcha-champion sa first Filipino Brotherhood Basketball Tournament.
All right, what a game, what a play. What a connection on stick to one. They've been putting a lot of games on it. Ano naman ang masasabi mo sa mga papanood nila? Yeah, you're putting that
They're
out.
still rooting for stick to one.
Stick to one is not giving
Are you a stick to one in real life?
Say that to your girlfriend.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Stick to one is not giving up. Let's go. They still got the mentality on it.
Number 7.
Laban ang puso.
Makakascore kaya ang stick to one para makahabol ang lamang. 5 lang to, kaya to. Umikot si number 7.
15
Number
seconds,
3.
15 second shot clock.
15 second shot clock. Number 3. Number 3. Sa gitna. Tayo lang. Nagpasabit. Si number 3. 2 shot by number 3.
Trying to make that two-point play with number 3.
Warning for penalty, no bat.
Warning for penalty ang Nobat
Yes, sir.
with 5 minutes and 16 seconds on the clock.
2 shots.
No good.
No good.
Bola. Second shot. Yes, sir. 4 na lang ang lamang ng Nobat.
Yes, sir. 26
Mag-voting kaya ng Nobat ang kanilang lamang para sa championship. Number 26, number 24, on the paint. No good. Rebound by number 16. Munti ka na maagaw ni number 9. Pass to number 8. Go! Munti ka na naman. Almost deflected by number 69. Number 30 has the ball. Back to number 3. Back to number 3. Takes his time.
15 seconds shot.
15 seconds. Shot clock. Number 3 still taking
10
his
seconds,
time.
10 seconds.
9, 8, number 7 has the ball, 5 step. Ang lakas, sayang. Matigan naman bitawan. Number 69 nandun sa kabilang court for easy. 60-54. Last 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Number 7. Dinodoble na. Number 30. Number 30. Foul.
Penalty ref.
Penalty. Illegal speed daw.
Penalty. Penalty tayo. 2. Lamang ng 6 ang Nobat. First shot, yes sir. By number 30.
Good shot, number 30.
5 na lang. Last throw. Another shot, yes sir. Napaka-shooter naman ko ni number 30. 4 na lang ang lamang. Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Nobat? Can they score? Papalamang ba ang Nobat? Back to number 15. Back to number 36. Umilalim si number 36. 2 points again.
One flower, number 26.
2 minutes and 50 seconds on the game. Malapit na natin malaman kung sino ang magsasabi. Muti ka maagaw. Muti ka nakatapik. Number 7. Yes!
182 points on number 1.
Throw on the board. number 9.
2 minutes and 30
2
seconds.
minutes and 32 seconds. Number 24 takes his time on the 3 and no good. A rebound number 15 on the paint. No good again. Number 30 rebound the ball. Pinatok ang number 15. Number 7 inbounding the ball.
Last 2 minutes.
And 9 seconds. Number 3 nagmamagalit. Umihalit. Boarding na. Dalawa na lang. Hindi talagang sumusuko ang stick to 1.
Last 2
Ang stick to 1. Talagang puso. Talagang puso ang pinapakita ng stick to 1. Kahit kung nasa lang saan na may mga no hesitation. No hold. Laban naman ang puso. On number 7. Ano ang gagawin mo? Nasa likod mo ang iyong kapartner.
This is not even about basketball no more.
Laban sa laban ng puso.
15 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. 15
15
seconds.
seconds shot clock. Ano ang gagawin ng number 7? Sumasalaksak sa gitna. Napakaganda ng laban na ito. Walang sumusuko para sa championship.
15 second shot clock.
Team mentality. 15-30 seconds. Sa gitna. Yes, sir. 2 points. Isa. Number 9. Last 57 seconds.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Last 50. 2 points na lang ang labang. Number 16 has the ball. Atake. Muti ka maagaw. Muti ka maagaw.
10 second shot clock.
10 second shot clock.
8.
Tumira sa tulis. No ball. Number 9. Number 9. Go. Oh. Lost ball foul. Go. Lost ball foul. Number 9. Talagang. Small ball.
Penalty round.
Talagang mga puso ang pinapagana ng mga tropa. Wala nang pagod-pagod dito.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds left.
30 seconds. Third left. Last on this championship game. 2 free throws. Crucial free throw.
Nobat in penalty.
Never take penalty. Never take penalty.
Penalty ref.
Trying to make a 2
Penalty. Enough.
Yeah.
Hey.
Free throw.
Free throw. No timeout.
Number timeout
Ilan silang
inside.
timeout? Ilan timeout?
You still have
Yo, dalawa pa ang timeout ng Sutuan.
Nobat has 2 also.
And nobody has to.
Unboxer. Isa na lang.
Ali! Oh my God! What a win! Oh my God, this is intense.
You guys got may foul pa kayo.
Line violation. 1 point lead by Nobat. Sino ang mananalo? May mananalo na ba ngayon?
30 seconds.
Remaining on the shot. 23 seconds. Deadlock ito mga tropa. Number 9 ang kawala. Pass to number 69. Pass to number 15. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 26, 10 seconds shot clock.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yes, sir. Time out. 6 seconds on the clock. Lamang ng tatlo ang Nobat. Makakasagot kaya ang stick one or my mananalo na sa championship ng ating tournament.
This is crazy.
Base coaches natin, 66-63 with 6 seconds remaining on the clock. Ano kaya ang diskarte ng stick to one?
Nobat na ba ang kampiyon?
Yes, sir. Not yet, sabi nila.
Ref, we got your
We
money.
got a little 6 seconds left. Stick to one, putting everything on the line now. With everything.
Mananalo na ba sa ating first tournament?
Last 6 seconds. Stick to one ball.
Last 6 seconds.
We'll stick to one.
Last 6 seconds.
6 seconds left.
Number 16, inbounding the ball. Ano kaya ang gagawin? Nakita si number 7. Champion of our first ever tournament. The Filipino Brotherhood Basketball. Nobat ang champion natin. Nobat, Nobat.
Rose.
Basketball champion! 66 ang ating score. Napakalakas man!
Never got the trophy in the end. Never got the trophy in the end.
Na po tayo. Yes, sir!
5 guys. What a game. What a game.
Yeah, come here, come here.
Wait, who's that?
69. Who's best player? 69. Enough points. 14. The rebound.
Never got it.
And our best player of the game and MVP number 69. Yeah, number 69. You made a crucial shot, and you guys were down the whole game. What was the mentality? And how do you guys prepare for this championship? And how do you guys took over the lead during the last seconds of the game?
Yes, sir.
First ever.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations! Congratulations! Nobat! First ever Filipino basketball! Brotherhood basketball!
Stick to one.
Stick to one!
Stick to one.
Talagang wala ako nakita ng stick to one.
Very good. Bring the family in. Bring the family.
Napakalabit ng stick to one. Good game, good game. Talagang hindi sila bumibak.
Bring out the family out there too. People, my family. We just want to bring the family as well. Yeah. Yeah, bring the kids in. Let's go. And the best player of the game, number 69, put out 25 points, 6 rebounds, and 2 blocks.
It's 51.
Yeah, good one, 69. Good one.
Napakalabit. Yay!
Good game, good game.
Good game sa lahat.
Sa lahat ng nag-participate sa aming first ever tournament, my second tournament sa kami and Liga coming up soon. Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng suporta.
For both teams, we appreciate you guys. Let's do this again, alright? Thank you guys.
We will run it back very soon. And please follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube page, our group page, FCB, Filipino Brotherhood Basketball. Thank you sa lahat na nag-participate. Thank you.
Whoever wants to stay back to play basketball, we still have time until 6.
Hey, we got 1 more hour to play.
Right.
Oh, Francis.
I'm suicide, looking at the mirror like I really am that guy. Through my gang, I don't really like two sides. Hop off a jet to a check on my red eye. Roll up a split, mix a grabber with that guys. People still hating and I still don't know how. Full pockets full, put a molly in a cacti. Getting never sleep, stretch 102 millions in weeks. Gotta run it and ride it for me. With a sunny, we gotta retreat. Straight from London, she out in the east. Let her shop and she keep the receipts. Don't you tell her you got it from me. After this, I'ma need therapy.
I've been building up my legacy. Hundreds and hundreds of foes. I've been up so far somewhere, stuck at the top, and there's nowhere to go. Nigga, no, I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Wholesale I'm suave, but I can't get me cold. Bro, think he John Wayne. I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody fake now. You can crack the code, bust down everything. Set it rose gold, dread talking to you niggas like I'm J. Cole. I can tell her head good before I even know. Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party.
Yes sir, napakalapit ng laban mga tropa.
Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. Y'all don't like the way I talk. Niggas say something. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. Pull up when you know it's us, the bass jump. Y'all don't like the way I talk and say something. My face, nigga. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King.
Yes sir, on team number 9. 6-man other tournament number 9.
OVO for well, we come out, nigga dark. Big stepper, he came in a rose, but he left in a stretcher. Let my brother drive while I shoot team effort. Asking all these questions, bitch, you must think you the desk girl. The chopper like the fill on all the opposites of molester. I be with my gun like Rose be with lemon pepper. She wanna hear some Afro beats cause she just popped a Tesla. All that working out, that nigga must think he a wrestler. But besides you, I see the kid. If you standing on business, put your blick up. Come around acting scared, get your shit tucked. Fell in love with feeling dizzy, so I spizzy. I got mad love for the boy, yeah, that's my twizzy. If them niggas keep on dissing, slide a gizzy. We the reason why the ops ain't got no frizzy. Last nigga played with me, got turned uppy. I ain't even roll him in the wood, cause he musty. You ask how she doing, I just tell her come and fuck me. Shot his ass 20 times, damn this nigga lucky.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. You don't like the way I talk, niggas say some, say some, say some, say some, say some, say some. You don't like the way I talk, niggas say some, say some, say some, say some, say some.
Blue money. Money. I say, hey, rubber band honey, since she keep on coming, I'm thumb. Look like a mummy, the drink got him slumpy.